How to change the billing address on Amazon. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change the billing address on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Billing address is the address of the card or the payment info that you have provided, not the delivery or the shipping address. And in order to change this, go to amazon.com from your browser or the app. Then once you've done that, tap on your profile icon from the top right. Then right here, you under your account, go to the see all option to see all of your account settings. Once you come to the see all option, just look for the payment option here. So under payment, you'll find an option that says your payment. So tap on the your payment option over there. And as you tap on the your payment option there, you'll see this option. Now, if you've added a card, you'll find the edit button under that card name. So you have to select that card and you'll find the edit button. But in my case, I have not added a card. But if you have, then just tap on the edit button, then follow the on-screen instructions to update your billing addresses. And this way you'll be able to change your billing address on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.